What I most like about Colorado Spring is it offers numerous attractions to explore, adventurous trails to take, and breathtaking sceneries to experience. If you love winters like me and planning to visit, then you can drive up to Pikes Peak. Explore fascinating architecture at Manitou Cliff Dwellings, where you can walk over the replicas of the ruins of Mesa Verde National Park. Next, we visited Helen Hunt Falls, which was completely frozen, and took a 0.1 mile trail to see the sunset. In the evening, we took a stroll in the downtown area and visited few shops. So here is what we did on our 7 day of road trip. बहुत सही लग रहा है, इट फील्स रियली ग्रेट. ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम स्नो में हूँ या फर्स्ट टाइम विंटर सीजन में हूँ, बट आई थिंक सो मॉर्निंग्स आर रियली अमेजिंग. लास्ट नाइट वॉज ऑल्सो रियली अमेजिंग बिकॉज फुल मून था और बहुत सही लग रहा था. आई कुडंट कैप्चर इट वेल, बट ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली गुड. Alright, we are leaving from here and moving towards our first stop, which is Pikes Peak. The Pikes Peak region is well known for epic outdoor adventure and recreational opportunities.
Operated by the city.
Okay.
So we are open 10 out of 19 miles. We cannot get you to the top of the mountain
Oh.
because of snow and ice.
Okay, got it.
So we can get you halfway up to
Uh-huh.
about 10,000 feet. Friday, we might be able to get you up to the top,
Okay.
but right now we just have too much ice on the
Got it.
Okay.
So it's $35 if you'd like to go up, but we can't get you to the top.
The highway entrance gate it sits at about 8,000 feet and you can climb all the way to the 14,000 feet summit, but not in winters. The elevation change of more than 6,000 feet covers a diverse mix of plants and animals. The highway is open year around. गाइस, अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे पहुँच चुके हैं क्रिस्टल रिजर्वियर विजिटर सेंटर. बेसिकली यहाँ से क्रिस्टल रिजर्वियर का व्यू है और हम लोग पाइक पीक देखने के लिए ऊपर जाने वाले थे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ विंटर कंडीशंस ओनली हाफ द वे वी कैन रीच. और ये जगह ऑलरेडी फ्रोजन है कम्प्लीटली रिजर्वियर बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स वेदर इज़ प्रेटी कोल्ड. और अभी हम लोग हैं 9300 फीट पे और यहाँ से पीक का एक्चुअली बहुत सही व्यू है. मेरे पीछे अगर आप देखोगे तो यू कुड इजीली एबल टू सी द पाइक पीक फ्रॉम हियर. Alright, further moving ahead, we took a quick stop at the viewing point. From here, you can get a clear view of peak. The drive to the Pikes Peak summit is 19 miles long. The road is paved the entire way and there are lots of established pull-offs where you can pull over, take a break, check out the scenery and adjust to the altitude. In the next couple of miles, we greeted with the magnificent views and the tall aspen trees. From waterfall hikes to zip lines, there are countless photo-worthy stops to add to a trip. Pikes Peak is also known as America's Mountain and the highest summit of the southern front range of the Rocky Mountain, Colorado. It's popular for its scenic drive, challenging climb, and relaxing cog railway. So हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं पाइक पीक, बट एक्चुअली पीक इज स्टिल ओवर देयर. वहाँ तक गाड़ी जाती है बट इसके आगे रोड क्लोज किया है बिकॉज बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्नो है. अभी भी आप देख सकते हो एवरीथिंग इज कम्प्लीटली कवर्ड बाय स्नो, तो इसलिए यहाँ तक उन लोगों ने स्टॉप किया है. So we decided to spend some time here and take a small walk in snow. Though even it feels very cold, the best thing is that clear weather, delightful sunlight and charming landscape. We felt bad that we couldn't make it up to the top, but nevertheless we have seen magnificent view along the way. Alright guys, we are going down now, and as you can see, the panoramic view of snow-capped mountains are totally amazing. The peak allows visitor a rare opportunity to experience the tundra and the alpine scenery at this high elevation, a landscape usually only attained elsewhere in the Rockies by miles of strenuous hiking. Next, we are here at this Mexican restaurant to grab quick lunch. Because of COVID situation, most places were only open for takeout services.
Right, हम लोग अभी आए हैं मोनेटू स्प्रिंग क्लिफ ड्वेलिंग्स के यहाँ पे। तो मुझे भी ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है, बट दे हैव गिवन अस वन पैम्पलेट विच हैज़ ऑल हिस्ट्री ऑफ ड्वेलिंग्स। तो वो जाके पहले देखते हैं, एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, फिर मैं आपको कुछ बता सकूँगी।
The Montau Cliff Dwellings are located just outside of Montau Springs, Colorado, and which is an example of cliff dwellings built by the Taos Pueblo Indians of New Mexico. The site was originally located in the southwest corner of Colorado near Mesa Verde. While these structures are not real, they are replicas from authentic Anasazi cliff buildings. The process of relocating these cliff dwellings began in 1904 and was completed in 1907. The ruins were collected, packed, and moved to the Colorado Springs area and rebuilt using concrete and mortar, which is why you are allowed to take self-walking tour on these ruins.
First floor. Sanket is in. Sorry, US second floor.
US second floor. You should, oh, gosh. And here is Smita coming out from that small hole. Oh my god, that is so fabulous.
Let's move. हो जा बस।
Alright, moving ahead towards the three-story building known as the Pueblo Houses, the museum and the gift shop.
This is the oven that what they used to have. I think that was a good way of keeping the fire lit for such a long time.
Once you enter inside the museum, you will see the dioramas showing the daily life, displays of pottery, weapons used by these ancient and mysterious people. They have also displayed unique pieces of handmade Native American jewelry as well as hand-painted pottery, artifacts and crafts. The day has almost come to end and final stop on our list is Helen Hunt Falls.
तो हम लोग अभी आ चुके हैं हेलेन हंट फॉल्स के यहाँ पे और ये फ्रोजन रहेगा। तो ये कोलोराडो स्प्रिंग में ही है। व्हाट डिड यू से? ये फॉल है? लुक एट द फॉल। Extremely dangerous.
Helen Hunt Falls is located in the north of Cheyenne Canyon Park of Colorado Springs. This is a beautiful spot to visit even in winter. The falls are frozen, but you could see little patches of water rushing under the ice. After we viewed the falls from the bridge, we kept hiking up for a bit. The views are gorgeous from all sides, and once at the top, you can see Colorado Springs between the mountains. We got lucky and saw some people were ice climbing. Now it's time for another great sunset. इसके बाद हम लोग आ चुके हैं कोलोराडो स्प्रिंग के डाउनटाउन में एंड एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे बहुत सारी लाइटिंग्स है फॉर द न्यू ईयर। हाँ, गणपति बघ ना ओपन लीडर। सो गाइस मैं अभी यहाँ पे एक शॉप में आई हूँ जिसका नाम है एवरेस्ट तिबेटियन नेपाल एंड एज यू कैन सी अराउंड मी बहुत सारी यहाँ पे मूर्तिज़ है, गणेश जी की मूर्तिज़ है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं फ्रॉम नेपाल, इंडिया एंड तिबेट या तिबेटियन बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे। सो एज यू कैन सी देयर इज बुद्धा ओवर हियर। शो दिस वन लॉर्ड गणेशा। मैंने एक लेस से लेके आई थी, सो बेसिकली
कितीला आहे नाइस।
when you wake up in the morning now, like for example if you are doing yoga and all, like in the morning you can just do this, in the evening as well. मी घरी हे करायचं, घरी आहे। Wow, this is so amazing. You wanna try?
No, I think
Just try now. But this is really amazing. The sound is coming really good. I already have this one. Oh my god, this is really amazing. I just love this shop. It has everything. The Ganesh idol and the Saraswati Mata. Huh?
हे आहे का?